Shanghai Zhongji Machinery was established in 1992 and has been awarded the title of National High-Tech Enterprise. It has also been recognized by the Ministry of Commerce as a designated equipment export manufacturer and has led the development of the national standard for 3D steel wire mesh sandwich panels. It is a high-tech group enterprise integrating independent research, development, production, sales and service of polyurethane, PU, rock wool, EPS color steel sandwich panel production line, cold bending molding equipment, EPS EPP foam plastic production line. The company has 2 factories in Qingpu District and Jiading District of Shanghai, with more than 300 employees and a factory area of 40,000 square meters.
National Invention Patent Certificate. 3D Panel National Standard Drafter. EUCE Standard Certification. Quality Management System Certification.
We mainly produce polyurethane sandwich panel production line, rock wool and EPS sandwich panel production line, PU and mineral wool insulation board line, EPS production line.
The continuous polyurethane sandwich panel production line of Shanghai Zhongji Machinery can produce PU fireproof panels, door panels, PU mineral wool sandwich panels, and high-standard rock wool sandwich panels. With advantages such as high automation, multifunctional integration, and efficient foaming technology, it can not only meet the strict requirements of the construction industry, but also help enterprises improve production efficiency, reduce costs, and gain competitive advantages in the market. The rock wool sandwich panel production line of Shanghai Zhongji Machinery is a professional equipment used for producing rock wool sandwich panels. This production line adopts advanced technology to achieve automated production of rock wool sandwich panels. The production process is as follows. Rock wool preparation. Melt basalt, slag, into liquid form through a blast furnace, and then spin it with a high-speed centrifugal rod to form rock wool fibers. Composite molding. Rock wool fibers are combined with colored steel plates, using the spray-blown cotton method to form a rock wool sandwich panel. Cutting and forming. Use automated equipment to cut rock wool sandwich panels into the required size and shape. Automatic palletizing and packaging. The cut rock wool sandwich panels are automatically palletized and wrapped for packaging. Application scope. Construction industry, rock wool sandwich panels are widely used in exterior walls, roofs, partitions, and other parts of buildings, with advantages such as thermal insulation, fire resistance, and sound insulation. The rock wool sandwich panel production line of Shanghai Zhongji adopts advanced technology to improve production efficiency, reduce errors caused by manual operation, and better ensure product quality. The rock wool color steel sandwich panel production line of Shanghai Zhongji Company is a professional equipment used for producing rock wool color steel sandwich panels. This production line realizes the automated production of rock wool color steel sandwich panels, improving production efficiency and product quality. The main advantages are as follows. High degree of automation. The Zhongji rock wool color steel sandwich panel production line has achieved functions such as strip cutting, automatic conveying, and 90-degree flipping of 250 millimeters thick high-density rock wool panels, reducing the need for manual operation and improving production efficiency. We can produce different types of wall panels, roof panels, etc. to meet diverse needs. High quality and efficient. The design of the production line has achieved the goals of high quality, efficiency, reliability, and safety, improving the production efficiency and quality of Rockwool color steel sandwich panels. Zhongji's Rockwool color steel sandwich panel production line has achieved efficient production of Rockwool color steel sandwich panels through high automation. Shanghai Zhongji Machinery is an enterprise specialized in R&D, production, sales, and service of EPS foam sandwich panel production line. The technical features are as follows. High degree of automation. The production line adopts advanced automation control systems, reducing manual intervention and improving production efficiency. Efficient and energy-saving. Energy-saving technologies are adopted in the production process to reduce energy consumption. Flexible and versatile. The production line can be customized according to customer needs. Shanghai Zhongji Machinery is a professional mechanical equipment manufacturer specializing in the research and development, production and sales of insulation board production lines. It covers many types of thermal insulation materials, including polyurethane, rock wool, EPS foam, etc. The purification color steel sandwich panel automatic production line of Shanghai Zhongji Machinery is an advanced production equipment designed specifically for producing high-quality purification color steel sandwich panels. The purification color steel sandwich panel fully automatic production line of Shanghai Zhongji Machinery consists of 2 hydraulic unwinding machines, 2 leveling devices, 2 sets of box board forming machines, 2 sets of steel plate gluing machines, 1 set of glass magnesium plate gluing machine, 1 set of transverse flipping system, 1 set of hot press machine, 1 set of palletizing machine, and 1 set of packing machine. The discontinuous polyurethane production line of Shanghai Zhongji Machinery is mainly used for producing polyurethane sandwich panels, which has the advantages of high production flexibility, low initial investment, easy operation, and convenient maintenance. Compared to continuous production lines, non-continuous production lines usually require less capital investment, which is an important consideration for enterprises with limited funds. Our company's discontinuous polyurethane production line can meet the production needs of enterprises of different scales. Shanghai Zhongji Machinery provides various types of single tile forming machines, which are mainly used to produce different types of single metal tiles, also known as single tiles or color steel tiles. The single tile forming machine can process color-coded steel plates or other metal sheets into metal tiles with specific shapes and functions through processes such as pressing and rolling. More single tile forming machines have the advantages of high automation, easy operation, stable quality, and convenient maintenance. Most single tile forming machines have a certain degree of fully automated production capacity, reducing manual operation and improving production efficiency, which can meet the diverse needs of different construction projects. Zhongji's vertical and horizontal cutting equipment is a professional set of equipment used for steel plate processing. The EPS foam production line of Shanghai Zhongji Machinery is mainly used to produce EPS foam products. The main components of EPS foam production line are as follows: raw material supply system, pre-foaming system, maturation system, forming system, cooling system, cutting system, automated control system. The EPS foam production line of China and Kyrgyzstan has the characteristics of high automation, high efficiency and energy saving, and strong production flexibility, which can meet the needs of different industries for EPS foam products.
Advanced manufacturing technology creates the top equipment quality. Our company has introduced some first-class multi-station machining centers, CNC lathes, milling machines and other high-precision machining equipments, such as 3MX8M gantry machining center worth $800,000 and 2.5MX12M milling machine worth $500,000, as well as the heat treatment of the welded structure, shot blasting, sandblasting, painting automated production lines. Company has perfect sales network and excellent sales team.
In the 32-year development history of the company,
governments around the world, officials and experts, including the Deputy Prime Minister of Tanzania, the Iranian consul in Shanghai, the President of Argentina, President of Romania, Turkey, Erzurum Province Governor, officials of United Nations programs, Germany and Poland, Italian experts, so Zhongji Company to visit, highly commended Zhongji Company. The company already has a perfect pre-sale and after-sale service system. The foreign market has the United States are sold in Africa, Southeast Asia, Latin America, South America, Europe, Russia and other regions. The company also has a strong after-sale service team and technical team of experts. We warmly welcome friends and all those interested in our products and services to visit our factories in Shanghai, China.